with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez.
Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. It is a more quiet start to the day. It is cold outside. We do have changes on the way, though. If you're hoping for milder conditions, that comes tomorrow and on Friday. We're expecting our highs to get back into the 30s briefly throughout those days. Looking ahead to the weekend, though, you guessed it, more lake effect snow. It's that time of year and it continues strong, along with windy conditions. And then that cold Arctic blast settles in for Monday and Tuesday. Again, don't forget maintenance in your home. I know there are a lot of pipes out there and reports of pipes freezing because of how cold it's been already, and imagine what's coming our way. So you have a couple of days to prepare and to do a little upkeep on that to help prevent that from happening to your place. High pressures west of us. We have southwesterly winds that form. Here's our next disturbance, a frontal boundary in the Dakotas. Now that Clipper system moves east. It'll bring in some scattered snow showers later on, but right now across the Great Lakes, kind of quiet. We've had some spotty snow showers early on this morning, and that shuts off. Now, the scattered snow we're expecting with that front extending through tomorrow will yield around 1 to 3 inches of snow, so not a lot. Some higher elevation spots can push a little bit higher than 3 inches. I'm talking about the higher elevation spots of western Marquette County, Barrett County, Gogebic, Ontonagon counties. As per usual, those typical places. Here's your hour by hour. Some sunshine mixed in with clouds for the first portion of the day, and then the clouds increase into the afternoon with that frontal boundary moving in, which brings in some scattered snow showers. If you made note, it's 5 p.m. on the map right now. That scattered snow shower activity pushes east throughout the evening and overnight. So tomorrow morning, we have lake effect snow showers along the northern areas and along those northwest wind belts at 6 a.m. Here's 9:30 tomorrow morning. We could have some lake enhancement coming off of Lake Superior for our north central areas. And then it tapers off as we head into tomorrow afternoon and we kind of catch a break. Also, potentially a little gusty at times today. Southwesterly winds, gusts ranging 25 to near 30 miles per hour into the afternoon, weakening for the overnight. Factoring in the cold and the wind, and you get wind chill readings in the single numbers this afternoon, even though temperatures will be near 20 degrees. Wind chill readings in the single numbers below 0 at times this morning. High temperatures in the upper teens across our interior areas with lower 20s along our shorelines. 21 is our normal for this time of year. Here's a look at the jet stream pattern. This is what's headed our way. I started it right at 7 p.m. on Friday. There's this big trough that's going to dig in through the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. We got a lot of this very tight pressure gradient that's going to happen. When that happens, you have strong gusty winds. Very cold Arctic air settles in, and we'll start to notice it Sunday, and it amplifies on Monday. So we're talking about wind chill readings to start off Monday morning in the teens to 30s below 0. So here's a preview of that. We'll start at Monday morning. This is 6:30 in the morning on Monday with those wind chill readings in the 30s below 0, not improving a whole lot from there throughout the day. We'll rinse and repeat that on Tuesday as well, and then we start to come out of this next Wednesday.
Today's pets looking for forever homes are at the Upper Peninsula Animal Welfare Shelter in Sands Township. Let's say good morning to Aria and Mittens.
Aria is